Looking for affordable 15 inches QLED Google TV? In this video, we're unboxing and setting up the Nexus 15 inches QLED Google TV to see exactly what comes inside the box, how easy it is to set up, and what kind of picture quality you can expect. Let's get started. First, let's open the box. We will remove all protective foam packaging to gain easy access to everything inside. Starting with the accessory you get: the TV legs, remote control, batteries, user manual, and of course, the TV itself. Let's carefully lift it out of the box and place it on a safe surface. Next, we attach the legs. The installation is simple and straightforward. Just align the legs with the designated slot, tighten the screws, and you are done. Now, let's take a look at the back of the TV. Here you'll find all the essential connectivity ports: audio output, AV input, 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, TV antenna input, LAN port for wired internet connection. Everything you need for gaming console, streaming devices, soundbar, and internet connectivity is right here. Now let's power it on. As the TV boots up, you're greeted with the Nexus logo along with the slogan, "Living with Style." Shortly after, the Google TV logo appears on the screen. You'll be given an option to pair your remote. For this setup, I will skip that for now. Next, select your preferred language and region. Then Google TV gives you the option to scan a QR code for quick setup using your smartphone. I will proceed with the manual setup using the remote. Choose between the home or retail mode, depending on where you'll be using the TV. Next is the Wi-Fi setup. I will skip that for now. Accept the Google Terms of Service. For tuner mode, we simply move to the next step since no channel has been configured yet. Accept the Nexus disclaimer and that is it. Welcome to the Nexus Google TV home screen. To unlock the full Google setup experience, including personalized recommendation, YouTube, Google Play Store access, and voice control, simply sign in with your Google account. Now let's test the picture quality with some 4K content. Since this is a QLED 4K TV, colors immediately appear richer, vibrant, and more lifelike. The display produces deeper blacks and brighter highlights, making movies and videos look more immersive. Skin tones appear naturally, details remain sharp, and the overall contrast helps image stand out beautifully. Whether you're watching sports, movies, YouTube video, or streaming your favorite shows, the large 15-inch screen delivers a crisp and enjoyable viewing experience. Overall, the 15-inch QLED Google TV offers a premium viewing experience with vibrant QLED colors, 4K clarity, Google TV smart features, and all the essential connectivity options most users need. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more TV reviews, unboxing, and setup guides. Thank you.